it is nighttime. You can't tell because there's no light in here, but the footage before that was me getting ready this morning. I didn't really record any today. I was gonna record my walk at my lunch break, but I didn't end up doing it. I didn't really do much today. I was supposed to go to hip-hop yoga, but I didn't get home in time to go, so I'm gonna try to go next week and take you guys with me. But I wanted to show you guys, I finally got the Saharan Blush Volume 1 from Juvia's Place. Oh, I was so excited. Let me see. I'm gonna open it. Hang on. Wow, isn't she so pretty? Oh, it looks bigger, I feel like, on camera than it is in person, but I guess it's like the size of your thumb. Ma'am, no Juvia's Place for you. Hashtag Black Girl Beauty Brand. Excited to try this out. Maybe I might wear one of these tomorrow to work. I don't know. Depends on how jazzy it is. And I have this, I got this unit. Because, I don't know, I wanted something short to switch it up. Thumbs up if you guys want me to do like a wig, my wig collection video. I would love to do that. And for those of you who gave me suggestions on videos, those are on deck. I have it all written down, so I'm working on those too. If you don't quit, you know my box, little critter. Alright, I just wanted to show y'all that. So before I go for today, because today's going to be super short, so I'll combine it with tomorrow. But 3 things that I am grateful for today. Let me think. I am grateful for my sweet little pumpkin. She's so cute. Say hi, Mooney. Say hi. She's so cute, although sometimes she drives me crazy. Alright. I am grateful for my friends. I talked to one of my girlfriends today, and we were just laughing and giggling about, you know, things that have happened over the past few weeks. So that was fun to kind of catch up. Hey, Ashley girl. And the third thing I am grateful for, I think this is like my everyday, just life in general. Although I may not be where I thought I would be at this point in my life, I feel like everything that happens, as cliche as it sounds, it really does happen for a reason. And I feel like I am where I'm supposed to be, if that makes sense. Yeah. So I will catch you guys tomorrow. And tomorrow. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? Yeah, happy Tuesday. I'm sitting in the parking lot at work. I am about to head to get some dog food and lunch, so I'm gonna bring you guys with me. All right, let's roll. So this is the dog food that I feed Mooney Pie. So I got that, and I got her some dog toys because her toys, she's a chew mom. And I got her this My Playtime Pal dog ball. She loves squeaky toys. So, and then I got her this Kong squeeze. Hopefully it lasts. So, yeah, I'm such a good mom. I know. I'm such a good mom. But I'm gonna go try this Chinese place. My mom said it was good for lunch because I want some sesame chicken. And I had something similar last night that I made myself from Trader Joe's, but it just didn't quite hit the speezy. So I'm going to try this place. If you guys are feeding your dog that Honest Kitchen food like I just showed you, after every 12 boxes, or it looks like 10 now, after 10 boxes you get a free box. So I should be halfway to my free 10th box. It looks like now it's 10. Maybe not, I don't know, but anyways, so let's go try this Chinese place. I hope it's good. I'm really picky about my Chinese food, so I'll take mom's word for it though. All right, let's roll. Oh, I'm back in the car now. I gotta get out and go to the place. All right. That was super fast service. So nice out. Back in the car. Let's test it out. See, that smells. I think I'm gonna eat out in here. Right, let's go back. broccoli. Let's see, hopefully I don't spill it on myself. I'm scared. I'm scared. If only you had smell-o-vision. Oh, my battery's getting low. I heard it had been tasted, so I can do it on camera. Pretty good. All right, I'll see y'all when I get my. I'll see y'all when I get my camera charged up. So as you can tell, sweaty. I'm about to eat the rest of my lunchy poo. I added some extra broccoli. I'm not sure if it's actually finished. I have YouTube on the background. Yeah, looks like it. So I'm gonna fix dinner and I might call it a day so I can upload this video today so you guys have yesterday and today. 3 things I'm grateful for today. The weather is amazing. It's probably gonna be cold again this weekend, but at least it's nice today. And I'm grateful for being busy today. Usually my Mondays and Tuesdays are pretty busy at work, but today was super busy, so the day flew by. And my third thing the third thing that I'm grateful for is being in relatively good health, and that I am able to continue to grow in my journey to being the healthiest me. Leave a comment below and let me know what your 3 things that you're grateful for today. And if you had a bad day, just remember tomorrow you can reset and start over. And if you had a great day, I'm glad your day was amazing. All right, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow I'm going to this new lady to get my hair cut, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm real nervous because I haven't been to the hair salon in probably 2 years, and I haven't had a trim since last July. And I'll leave a link to my how I trim my hair video, but I'm gonna go get professionally trimmed since it's been so long. And I kind of want to shape up or something, like kind of. Anyways, we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Here is my dinner. This is I think I still have a little bit left for lunch. I'm like the queen of splitting a meal, so I added some extra broccoli so I can get them extra grains. But yeah, this is gonna be my dinner. This is pure happiness. Mooney, you having fun? She didn't even come over. Ooh, my voice. She didn't even come over at all while I was eating. Mooney, you having fun? All right, okay.